Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, so what's happening with my camper van? Yeah, it's having a complete restoration. This is what I've just been sent from the garage. It's Great Escapes in Redditch. It's an awesome place, fantastic. They're doing such a good job of it. And yeah, this is what they have sent. Take a look, guys. So guys, this is my Type 25 camper van called Charlie. As you can see, he is having a complete restoration. He's going to be finished by March, so then hopefully I will be off around the country visiting all sorts of places and vlogging, which will be fantastic. So guys, if you are new, please consider smashing that subscribe button to keep up to date with how Charlie is progressing. At the minute, all is going really well. He's going to have new insides as well, because I thought, why not, while we're getting all this work done. So yeah, he's looking brilliant at the moment, and soon he will be finished. This is what I've got from the garage, only like this week, and I will keep you up to date. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Much appreciated. Take care.